Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am Ananya and this is Thoughtful Creation 27. So guys, from this video onwards, this is a challenge to myself and I want to see how better I can do in uploading videos. I've been slacking and there had been some couple of issues at home, so could not upload frequently or as frequent as I want. So I'll take one day at a time, and from the 10th of October, today is the 9th and for you it will be the 10th if you're watching on the 10th. So I'll be vlogging my everyday work as little as I'm doing or as much as I'm doing and uploading a vlog for it till the month of October, or at least till the 10th of November, 30 days, to see what growth I have in my channel. And right now, currently I am at 219 subscribers. Thank you so very much for that. And I want to see how much I grow, how much better I become at vlogging, because it will be clips of me working from day to day. So I'll be recording and uploading it the next day, editing every day. It will be quite some work, but I want to do it. I want to push myself to see if I can actually do it. Also, it will keep me busy and I'll try to come up with ideas for every vlog, even if it's continuation of a previous vlog, something, a creative idea. Also, since I'll be doing it every day, they won't be as long as my previous vlogs. So, sorry for that, but I'll try to add as much as I can. So, let's hope, fingers crossed, I can keep it till a 30-day or a 20-day challenge as in when I go. I want to do it till the 10th of November. So, let's see. We are back to basics, guys. We are back to basics. We are making bracelets again. I have one or two Halloween ideas. Other than that, we'll make some fall bracelets. It's fall season, autumn, winter is very soon. I was going to say winter is coming, but okay. Anyway, let's make the design I have in mind right now, and I will show you here what it is. You will get to know how it's looking after I made it. Also, I have a similar kind of design already on my Etsy shop and website, and it's one of my bestsellers in Halloween season. So, and apart from that, it has been selling all throughout the year. Each month, at least once, it has been sold. So, let's make one more similar to that. It has the same vibes, but it's like a little paler version of it, but still pop colors. Apart from that, I've not decided what other bracelets we'll make. I'll see and let you know. So let's get into making some bracelets. Like I told you guys, a color combination of pale shades is going on in this bracelet. Let's get into making. The other one is like bright colors, bright orange, bright yellow, bright purple. This also has white and black in it. Apart from that, the other designs, the smaller elements, the details in the bracelet are all pale shades. So let's make it and let's see how it turns out. Let's get into making this. Update, I have started my bracelet and the starting of the arrow is done. Now we'll be starting the main details of the bracelet. All my threads are stuck on my table and this is my current setup. So let's get into making this Halloween themed bracelet. this is the progress I've made. It's a tiny little progress, but yes, each and every knot takes a little bit time. So this is how much I've done. Hey guys, so that is how much we'll be doing in this vlog. As I told you, these vlogs will be a little small from my previous vlogs, and this was a spur of the moment idea that came up, and it was very late evening, about 9:30, and right now it's almost 12 o'clock. So I'll be editing this vlog right now and scheduling it for tomorrow. So it will be uploaded on the 10th, and every day I'll be editing my vlogs at night to be posted the next day, so that I am not late with the uploads. Apart from that, this bracelet will surely be done in tomorrow's vlog, and for me it will be day after tomorrow. For you it will be on the 11th. So I'll try to keep up with the dates. So right now I have done a little ghost and some sequins on the bracelet, so we will be continuing with the bracelet tomorrow. So this is the end of vlog 1 of my 30-day challenge, and I hope I can continue this. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel to see more vlogs from this 30-day challenge or future vlogs if you want. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.